I wanted to live in a tiny home for cost reasons. Tiny house living is definitely more affordable than I was in an apartment and probably paying 3 times as much just for the rent alone. That didn't include anything. So it's definitely more economical, more affordable. Hi, my name is Lori and this is my tiny house. I've been at Namaste Hideaway since August of this year. The dimensions are 34 feet by 15 feet and the builder is Liberty Tiny Custom Homes in Terrell, Texas. And on the outside of the house, I have a porch that's 8 foot. I like to hang out and drink my tea and sit on the porch and enjoy the chimes and the weather and nature. And let's go take a look inside. Welcome to my home. The square footage is about 399 square feet. And I think my favorite feature of the house is the width. I like that it's 15 foot wide. I feel that it's open and roomy and it doesn't feel like it's a tiny home. I live here with my daughter. Her room's in the loft area. And this is my living room. I like it because it fits my couch that I had previously. It's a fold-out couch so I can also have guests come and visit. And over here is my kitchen. What I like about my kitchen is it has full-size appliances. It also has ceramic tile as well, and a farmhouse sink and lots of windows. And over on this side of my kitchen is my washer and dryer. I like that because it's full-sized, but it's stackable so it takes up less space.
Do you ever want to fix a problem by waving a magic wand? Yeah, me too. That's why I love the Lock-In Vino Solar Palm Smart Lock. Just raise your palm to unlock your door, even if your hand's sweaty or it's at night. Now that's magical. Not only does it feature the world's fastest and smartest palm vein recognition tech, it's also incredibly durable and versatile.
Truly a tiny house must have.
No more worrying that your smart lock battery might die unexpectedly. This has built-in cutting-edge solar that can charge for up to 11 hours a day, even on low-light, cloudy days. No need for an external solar panel. Its battery is basically maintenance-free. It features 5 ways to unlock, including palm vein scan, PIN code, encrypted mechanical key, voice assistant commands, and remote app control. Hands full? No problem. Boyfriend just moved in? No problem. Dog sitter stopping by? No problem. It's simply magical. Level up your smart lock game with the Lock-In Vino Solar Palm. See the link in the description.
And over here is my bathroom where I have lots of storage and cabinet space. I also have a full-size bathtub that's porcelain with a shower. And we got a full-size bathtub because my daughter likes her baths. And over on this side is my bedroom. And it has a back door and eventually I'll put a back porch on the back. And then we have a closet with the barn door over on this side. And walking out of the bedroom, up the stairs, I have 3 drawers that's used for storage. All right, that's it for downstairs, so let's take a look upstairs in the loft. Now we're upstairs in my daughter's room in the loft area. One of her favorite features are the chandelier lights. My favorite feature is the space. It's very spacious. She even has enough room for a dresser and a nightstand and a full-size bed as well. The lot rent at Namaste Hideaway is $550, and that's the lot, and it includes water and trash. I pay my own electric, and then pay $50 for internet. I like Namaste Hideaway because of the community feel of it, and the owners were very accommodating and just very nice. When we first moved, our shower didn't work, and Chuck and Molly let us shower at their house for however long we needed to. It was a good couple of weeks, and so I thought that was just really nice of them to do that. The neighbors here at Namaste are very helpful, very willing to help, very nice, just very community oriented. Namaste Hideaway is like 15 minutes to Anna, and that's where we do our shopping. There's a Walmart there. It's like 20 minutes to McKinney, which is a larger city, and so just a little bit of a drive and you're in the country and quiet, and you're out of the traffic and everything else that comes along with living in the Dallas area.
Thanks for stopping by Tiny House Expedition. I'm Alexis.
And I'm Christian, and this is our DIY tiny house on our homestead in Oregon.
Looking for more tiny inspiration? Watch these videos. But if you're looking for something specific, visit our channel homepage to browse tiny homes by category.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Hope to see you soon.